good dream is from this, and a bad dream is from?
Good dream.
Where is a good dream from? Or who is a good dream from, and from where does a bad dream happen?
I think I'll pass this time. I think so. I'm not 100% sure.
Okay,
Mm.
no problem, no problem. We'll go to Brother Ray with Muhajirun.
I think it's a good dream is come from Allah, and the bad dreams come from shaitan.
Okay, very good, very good. You said that the good dreams come from Allah, and the bad dreams, they come from shaitan. That's why when we have a bad dream, we seek refuge in Allah from this bad dream, and inshallah nothing will happen to us and it will not harm us, bi'idhnillah. Very good. Brother